Hi guys, we have started the new topic basic understanding of atomic physics. In previous video I have discussed what is the basic fundamental of atom. So here we have started previous topic electron, proton and neutron. I have discussed that when Professor Rutherford seen that the a source of light which is incident on photographic plate, then photographic plate emitted some particle. The Professor Rutherford sees that those particles which goes to a positive direction called alpha particle called proton, and the second particle which par- goes to negative direction and contain negative charge, that is an electron, and some particle goes in the parallel direction, there is no charge, there is neutron or neutron. So behalf of that, firstly idea about atomic model, that is Professor Rutherford thought that, and he discussed about in his principle. He says that when electron and proton and neutron contain a atomic model, neutron and proton in a nucleus of a nuclear nucleus, and electron is moved the outward direction. In that case we have seen that the electron is binding with a force. This is called nuclear force, that is very strong force in nucleus force, which is binding the electron and the nucleus. So in that case the nucleus is contain proton and neutron. So in nucleus this is the proton is contain positive charge. Due to positive charge and the rotation of electron, that is neutron, that is rotation of electron, that is negative charge. Due to this is the charge difference, the proton plus and minus. Then we easily apply. In previous video we have discussed the Coulomb force, that is the positive charge of proton and negative charges of electron. That is, we easily know about the what is the radius of atom due to this Coulomb force. Then we find the another more properties of what is the electron behavior in this particular cell. In nucleus the electron is moving in radial direction at this particular time. What is the velocity of electron, what is the momentum of electron, what is the energy of electron, what is the potential energy of electron. This concept is widely used in classical mechanics, in quantum mechanics. That is a very wide application of this concept in physics. So we people easily understanding about Professor Rutherford model. After it, there is some views of another science about atomic model, that is the famous concept and hypothesis. In 1911, Professor Niels Bohr in Anderlecht, Ireland University, he thought about that the use of this Coulomb force, which is a neutron proton in nucleus and electron is moving about this. So due to charge difference, uh, this is the force difference. Then Professor Rutherford, due to principle of Professor Rutherford, behalf of this the Niels Bohr, some laws of that. The laws is basically about the Bohr radius, which is called Bohr radius, which is the Professor Niels Bohr says that the Professor Niels Bohr says that the when a electron moving in a red in a circular motion of a nucleus about, and the electron rotates, the two type of motion. First is spin motion, and second is own origin rotation. First is circular motion and second is O1 is O1 axis motion. There is two type of here movement. First is magnetic movement and second is classical movement. The magnetic movement is mu barabar mh. Here m is mass of electron, h is Planck constant, which is discussed in further videos. The Planck is a very nice scientist which discovered the energy conservation law of photon. So here basically we discuss about the Niels Bohr principle. So here the Niels Bohr says that when the rotation of electron, the electron contain two type of spin. One is circular motion and second is origin spin. In that spin is two type of movement. What is magnetic movement, which is mu barabar mh. Mu is magnetic movement, m is mass of electron, h is Planck constant, and second is classical movement, which is m barabar mvr, movement barabar mvr. Here m is mass of electron, v is velocity of electron, m omega is m, and omega is rotational speed of electron. So here we easily discuss the some phenomenon of basic classical mechanics and quantum mechanics. So this concept and further the study of atomic physics, the behalf of this we easily understand the what is the principle of hydrogen atom, and the hydrogen atom is highly recommended use in quantum physics. Behalf of this we easily understand the boron approximation, perturbation theory, and some ideas of physics. We easily understand the harmonic oscillator. Some bachelor degree student and some master degree student and CSIR net pupil, you have especially I understand you to pupil what is this type of phenomena. So here in this situation, Professor Niels Bohr concept is very important. So this is the basic ideas of atomic model. After it, the atomic physics application used in X-ray diffraction, nuclear physics, some basic phenomenon, then the atomic physics used in light. So in that particular video we you to understand about what is the basic of atomic model and basic of electron, proton and neutron. So in this situation in atomic physics there is electron in moving in outermost cell of a atom. There is K, L, M, and so we have, so electron is moving. So imagination that, and the electron this is moving in various energy level in outermost cell, that is n1, n2, n3, n4, n5 up to infinite. So here n is the number level of energy number of energy level. So Professor Niels Bohr thought that the classical movement is equal to number of cell and Planck constant. So mvr is equal to nh. So Professor Niels Bohr thought that the classical movement is equal to number of outermost cell and Planck constant. So here the many energy level of electron. In previous classes we have people thought about L, M and K, but not understanding what is L, M and K. Here L is magnetic, here L is quantum number and magnetic quantum number, N is outer motor most cell, and M is discuss about what is the magnetic property of electron. L is describe what is classical property of electron. So here the many energy level of electron. So behalf of this we easily understanding the what is the behavior of hydrogen atom. When a hydrogen atom is applied in some magnetic and electric field. So you people about in my previous discussion in previous videos, what is electric field, what is magnetic field, what's a particle behave in that electric field. So you have to people understanding about the what happen when the hydrogen is in go in electric and magnetic field. So when it goes in that type of field, it shows various property. The uh, outermost electron of hydrogen atom, this behavior of more and more the type of behavior in the outermost cell and energy level. So we have to easily discuss the energy level diagram of hydrogen atom. So you have to pupil understanding the energy level. So in this condition we have to easily think about the behavior of electron is it contain kinetic energy and it contain potential energy. So here the potential energy is mgh. M is mass of electron, g is gravitational constant, and h is here is height. Not is Planck constant. Both are different thing, but notation is same in pronunciation. But in written style there is the height is denoted is h and Planck constant is denoted is h bar. So behalf of this, the easily discuss about Heisenberg principle of uncertainty. This concept of Professor Niels Bohr is used in Heisenberg principle of uncertainty. The Heisenberg of principle of uncertainty says that when an electron move in a atmosphere at a particular time, we cannot calculate, we cannot measurement, and we cannot use, and we cannot see the momentum and this position both product. Not we cannot easily calculated his position and momentum at a instant and a particular time. The Professor Heisenberg says that both are different thing, but we the product of delta p and delta x is greater than equal to h upon 2 pi. So listen carefully. The electron which is moving in a medium, the position and momentum is product, delta p is momentum, delta x is position. So product of these two quantities delta p into delta x is greater than equal to h upon 2 pi. Here is h is Planck constant and 2 pi is another constant. So behalf of atomic physics and behavior of electron, we have to easily discuss the principle of Heisenberg uncertainty, which is various used in quantum mechanics and some various branch of physics. And behalf of this, we easily understand what is happen in simple harmonic oscillator. So we have here some property about of electron. So basically the electron is a particle which found in atomic model. It contains two type of motion: rotation motion, rotational motion, circular motion, and origin axis motion. It contains magnetic property, it contains classical mechanics property. So you people think about the basic knowledge of atomic physics, so you have to read and listen carefully my video. सो मैं यार हिंदी में फिर एक वही दोबारा बात कहता रहूँगा जो मैं कहता आया हूँ। इस सब्जेक्ट को आप प्लीज़ 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 इमेजिनेशन करिए, फील करिए, इसको आप पूरा टाइम दीजिए। आप इन चीज़ों को समझिए कि आखिरकार हो क्या रहा है। जब आप ये समझने लगेंगे, फील करने लगेंगे कि हो क्या रहा है, तब आप आसानी से बहुत चीज़ों को सिंप्लीफाई कर देंगे। हम आगे भी बहुत सारी बातें करेंगे फिज़िक्स के बारे में, लेकिन आप अगर इसको सही से समझना चाहते हैं तो आप इसे फील करिए। बाय बाय।